Yo. What? How to get in this thing? Oh, look at this. Slide into her DMs. Got it. Yo, man. If Hollywood ever made another movie about speed, they can do it with electric bus. Yo, this is wild. It's nice. It's got a sliding door. Oh. Maybe we could trade a work van in for this. I like the truck better though. Got LEDs. I don't know if it's got sliding doors or not. It's like an escape room, man. This is wild. Sliding door here. Fire extinguisher down there. One cloth seat. Ugh. Yo. This is wild. Like for deliveries and stuff, huh? This is... doesn't stay by itself. You gotta sit. Okay. I gotcha. Cool stuff. Boy, this is different, man. It's big. I'm just gonna go to the back. Okay. I gotcha. Interesting stuff. I wonder if it has like a ramp or something. I don't know. Interesting. What do you guys think? Wait. Before I leave. Open? Oh, it does. Interesting process. Alright. Oh, that thing is ugly. Sorry, but it is. Anyway, y'all enjoyed this big ol' electric delivery van. It's got some not too bad features. Alright, well, I don't know what else to say about this. I didn't think I'd be doing this today, to be honest with you. This is different. Alright. Hope y'all enjoyed this one. Later.